Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs like GBP USD, USD JPY, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And as we all know that during the last trading session, just before the market closing, Euro USD formed a huge green candle. As you can clearly see on the chart that Euro USD has formed a huge green candle and market closed at 1.1795. 1.1795. This was the last traded price of Euro USD. So if you look at the chart of Euro USD here, if you look at the chart of Euro USD here, then the market seems very bullish. And one of the reason behind forming this huge green candle was the selling pressure on the chart of dollar. Because see, this is the chart of US dollar DXY chart, and you can see that DXY ultimately broke the support. Okay, broke the support, and you can see that trading below this support here, and USD right now trading at 92.68 level. So Euro USD is under some pressure. So right now we cannot be too sure that DXY Euro USD is still bullish. Okay, there may be some selling pressure on Monday as well, and the whole setup of USD chart may change, but right now we cannot say anything with certainty. Therefore we will leave aside the chart of DXY right now, and we will just focus on the chart of Euro USD. So if you are thinking that you should also be going for Monday, or if you have missed the opportunity, then my dear friend, watch the video carefully, try to understand everything. Okay, so let's do the analysis. Let's try to find out what are the best trading opportunities on Euro USD chart for Monday. Okay, so do not be impatient, do not get confused. I'll be explaining them one by one. Okay, so first and foremost, if we look at the chart of Euro USD here, okay, so this portion of the chart may be in uptrend. Okay. But if you look at the overall chart of Euro USD here, then we can see that the Euro USD is in downtrend. Euro USD is in downtrend, and there is no doubt about it. Okay. And as the market is in downtrend, therefore there must be some resistance on the market which is not allowing the market to go up. And in this market of Euro USD, we have this trend line which is acting as a strong resistance for the market. You can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure from above. Whenever market tried to go up, this trend line was always present and never allowed the market to go up. Therefore, if you do not have this trend line on your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this trend line so that you can understand the market better, so that you can also do proper analysis and take proper trade on Monday. So by looking at the chart of Euro USD, we have understood this market is in downtrend. Okay. So if we look at the present trend of the market here, the present trend of the market also seems to be towards the downside only, because we do not have any proper chart formation that clearly tells us that there is a trend reversal. Yes, Euro USD was bullish on Friday, but that doesn't mean that there is a trend reversal on Euro USD. In the overall chart, we have seen that market is still under the dominance of sellers. It is still under the influence of sellers. Okay. Therefore, Euro USD still in the seller's territory. Okay, so right now our next duty is to find the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. As I always say, before executing any order, we should always try to find the area of value. In an uptrend market, or when a market is going up, the area of value or the best buying opportunity is always near the support. And when a market is in downtrend or market is falling, the best selling opportunity or area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. And this market is falling, this market is in downtrend. Therefore, our area of value or the best trading opportunity will also be near the resistance. Therefore, we should mainly looking for selling opportunities, or selling opportunities will be more safer, okay, more safer in comparison to the buying trades. So what should be our strategy for Monday then? Okay, so first and foremost, we can see that the market has closed above the trend line. Okay, market has closed above the trend line, but still it could not cross this particular level, 1800 level, and somehow market faced the selling pressure at last, and market is still trading below the resistance. Therefore, we cannot be too sure that market will be going up again on Monday, market will be bullish again on Monday. Overall, this market is still under the seller's territory. Therefore, what I'm saying is that, okay, so in case market forms a red candle here, okay, in case market forms a red candle here, do not short the market right away. Let the market open on Monday. Observe the market for a couple of hours. On Monday, as we all know, during the first couple of hours, market stays dull. There is hardly any movement on the market for the first couple of hours. So let the market open on Monday. In case market forms a red candle and goes down again, listen to me carefully. In case market forms a red candle after a couple of hours and starts going down again, then you can short the market below this trend line, okay, or you will only short the market below this trend line. Though we have two resistances here, first resistance is 1.1800 and this trend line, but you will only short the market below this trend line. That will be more safer for you, safer position for you, opportunity for you. Okay, so let the market open on Monday, wait for first couple of hours, and when you see market forming a red candle and going down, you will short the market below this trend line. That is your first trading opportunity. Okay, and if you short the market here, then your take profit target may be 1.1740, and if you are a long term trader, then you can wait for the market till 1.1710. Okay. And on the other hand, if market goes up from here, so if market goes up from here and market crosses this level 1.1800 level, then don't do anything, don't do anything, okay, because we need confirmation first. We need confirmation, and we need confirmation in the form of resistance is equal to support. So if market crosses this level, we should at least wait for 4 to 6 hours so that we get the confirmation whether the resistance has become support or not. Until and unless we get the confirmation the resistance has become support, it is not a wise decision to take any buying trade above this level. Therefore, if market crosses also this level, do not go for any buy or buying trade. I will be coming down on Monday and I'll explain it to you what should be your next strategy or what should be your next step. Until and unless, do not go for any buying position if market crosses this level. Just wait for me, I'll be coming down and explain it to you what you should be doing on Monday. So these are two trading opportunities for you right now. I will not be discussing about this black line here because I have discussed about this level for quite some time. For many days I have discussed, so I do not want to bore you again. So these are the opportunities for you right now. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under forex 101 section. So in the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 59% retail traders have taken short position and 40% retail traders have taken long position. So 60% are thinking that market will be going down and 40% are thinking that market will be going up. Let's see where the market goes on Monday. And my dear friends, I have recently launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll bring down the best trading opportunities on the market for you personally. Okay. If you want to know more in detail, just go to the Pro Trader option here. You'll find everything in detail. Okay. So that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday. Okay. And if market crosses the resistance, wait for me. I'll tell you on Monday what you need to do. Bye bye.